The following presentation will be another EAS scenario, a second part of it. So, hello guys. Today's my another EAS scenario. Today is our second part of attack of toilet, showers, medicals, and sleeping in Greater Houston metropolitan area. So this is part 2. So I split it into 2 parts. So the first part is a Tom's friends of showers, medicals, toilets, and sleeping. Well, the second part is severe weather. So, yeah, welcome to my part 2 of severe weather. So we can get started. Now let's set Chambers County in the city of Anaheim. Meanwhile, in Anaheim, the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston, is issued severe thunderstorm warning for Chambers County in southeastern Texas until 3:30 p.m. At 2:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Balboa, or near Old River Winfrey, moving east at 45-mile-per-hour. Hazard: 60-mile-per-hour wind gust. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location and patch include Anaheim, Mount Balboa, Old River Winfrey, Cove, Beach City, Wallersville, Turtle Bayou, Hancomer, Maroon City, Double Bayou, Smith Point, Sawell, and Winnie. For your protection, move the NG room on the lowest floor of the building. So now the severe thunderstorm is heading towards the city of Anaheim. Alright, now it's going. Let's see. Alright, now let's going left all the way towards Washington County in the city of Brenham. Meanwhile, in Brenham, the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston, issued a tornado severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carmine, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 mile per hour wind gusts and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location and patching code: Brenham, Burton, Whitman, Chapel Hills, Phillipsburg, Wesley, Antrim, Gay Hill, Quarry, Independence, Whitman, and Washington. For your protection, move the NG room on the lowest floor of the building. So now the city of Brenham is getting involved by severe thunderstorms. Alright, now let's go all the way down towards Jackson County in Texas. Let's go all the way down. Meanwhile, in Edna, going all the way down towards Jackson County. The National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston has issued a tornado warning for Jackson County until 3:30 p.m. or 3:15 p.m. and 2:41 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over 5 miles east of Edna, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous. Those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Location patch include Edna, El Toro, Vanderbilt, LaSalle, Malta, Roard, Gardner, Franchise. Take over now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're a mobile home and vehicles are outdoors, go to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So now let's get all the way heading towards Houston, all the way towards Belleville. Belleville is a Greater Houston, the Woodlands, Sugar metropolitan area. Meanwhile, in Austin County, the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston has issued severe thunderstorm warning for Austin County in East Central Texas until 3:30 p.m. At 2:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over industry or near Elms, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 mile per hour wind gusts and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location patch include Belleville, Sealy, Cat Springs, Industry, New Elm, Kinney, Buckhorn, and Willis. San Philip, Brownsville Country, Bullock. For your protection, move the NC room on the lowest floor of the building. So now the city of Belleville, the severe thunderstorm is impacting. Alright. So let's go all the way towards Fort Bend County in Texas. Seating the city of Richmond. Meanwhile, this is actually also a Greater Houston. Yeah, go all the way towards Fort Bend County. The National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston has issued a tornado warning for Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas until 3:15 p.m. and 2:44 p.m. A tornado was located over Cantleton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous. Those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Location patch include Richmond, Rosenberg, Sinker Ranch, Redwood, Sugar Land, Katy, Missouri City, Mission Bend Four Corners, Simonton, Orchard, Plessier, Neville, Guy, Kendleton, Beasley, Fairchild, Fresno, Enciniana, Thompson, Booth, DeWitt, 5th Street, Chamos, Pelican Grove, Cummings, Foxter, Claudine. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take care now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home or vehicles are outdoors, move to the closest essential shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeat. A tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties. In Texas, Fort Bend. Now the now the tornadoes wait. Now the tornado is heading towards the city of Richmond. Meanwhile, let's go to Waller County in the city of Hempstead. The National Weather Service in Houston gave us has issued a tornado warning for severe thunderstorm warning for Waller County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hempstead, moving southeast of at 45 mile per hour. Hazard: 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location: pattern code: Hempstead, Katy, Field Stores, Prairie View, Pine Islands, Waller, Monroe, Sunnyside, Henderson, Berkshire. For your protection, move the NG room on the lowest floor of the building. So now the city of Hempstead is with severe thunderstorms. Okay, so yeah. Alright, that's all for the... Wait. Let's go to Grimes. Go to Grimes County. Alright. Meanwhile in Grimes County, the National Weather Service in Houston gave us an issue a tornado warning for Grimes County in southeastern Texas until 3:30 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Navasta, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and T-size hail. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Location: pattern code: Anderson, Navasota, Rollins Prairie, Singleton, Sherrill, Loa, Cross, Bettis, Richards, Wayne Hall, Plantersville, and Tower Mission. To repeat, while tornadoes on the ground, move to a tea room on the lowest floor of a security building. Avoid windows. If you're a mobile home or vehicle is outdoors, move to the closest essential shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. So now the city of Anderson is confirmed with tornadoes. Oh yeah. If I can teach myself a new language. All right. Meanwhile, let's go to Brazos County, including the city of College Station in Mayan. Tornado emergency for the city of Mayan and College Station. The National Weather Service in Houston gave us an issue a tornado warning for Brazos County in southeastern Texas until 3:30 p.m. At 2:50 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Benchley, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of Bryan and College Stations. This is a dangerous situation. Jacob Burnell. Hazard: daily tornado. Source: Train weather spotters. Impact. You're in a life-threatening situation. Flying to be maybe deadly those caught without shelter. Mobile homes could be destroyed. Concealed damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Location has included Bryan, College Stations, Wixon Valley, Curtin, Benchley, Milken, Steep Hollow, Royalsons, Curtin, and Tabor. To repeat, a large, extreme dangers, and potentially deadly tornadoes on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move the NC room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're a mobile home or vehicles are outdoors, move the closest potential shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extreme dangerous tornadoes on the ground. And take a tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties. In Texas, Brazos. Now the large tornado is bearing down towards the city of Bryan and College Stations. Oh, that's not good. But that's all for the parts of Houston. Galveston National Weather Service. Let's go down all the way towards the city of Galveston. Meanwhile, in Galveston, tornado emergency for the city of Galveston, Texas City, League City, and Galveston Island. The National Weather Service and Lakes in Galveston has issued a tornado warning for Galveston County in southeastern Texas until 3:45 p.m. and 2:53 p.m. A confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over League City, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of Galveston, Texas City, League City, and Galveston Island. This is a dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, law enforcement tornado. Impact, you're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Concealed damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Location impact include Galveston, Texas City, League City, Galveston Island, Hicktop, Dixon, Santa Fe, Agia, Kima, Friendswood, San Leon, Jamaica Beach, Gold's Island, Boulevard Peninsula. To repeat, large, get extreme dangers and potentially deadly tornadoes on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or NC room or the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're a mobile home or vehicles are outdoors, move as closest to central shelter and protect yourself from flying debris or large and extreme dangerous when it's on the ground. Take the 20 precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties. In Texas, Galveston. Now the large and extreme dangerous tornado heading towards the city of Galveston, Texas City, Lake City, and Galveston Island. Wow, that is not good. Now let's go all the way towards Montgomery County. Montgomery County in Texas. Meanwhile, Montgomery Montgomery County in Texas. In The National Weather Service in Houston gave us an issue of 20 to 24, Montgomery County in southeastern Texas until 3:45 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., a large and extreme dangerous tornado was observed over Montgomery, moving east at southeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the city of the Woodlands and Conroe. This is a dangerous situation. Check cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Concealed damaged homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Location: Patton Code, Conroe, The Woodlands, Cut and Shoot, Panorama Village, Willis, Ada, Grangerland, Porter, New Medline, Splendor, Pandon Village, Roman Forest, Porter Heights, Egypt, Montgomery, Magnolia, Stagecoach, Pinehurst, Dublin, Hammond. Repeat: a large and extreme dangerous and potentially deadly tornadoes on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or a TV room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home, the vehicles are outdoors, live in a close substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. And large and extreme dangerous tornadoes on the ground. Taking the 20 precautions. This is an emergency situation. Repeat: a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Texas: Montgomery. Wow. Now the large and extreme dangerous tornado is now bearing down towards the city of Conroe and the Woodlands. Wow. That is pretty interesting. Let's see what happens in Houston. But suddenly, a large vortex tornado is now heading towards the greater Houston metropolitan area. Meanwhile, in Harris County, including the city of Houston, the tornado sirens are starting to go off in the greater Houston metropolitan area. Large vortex tornado heading on the ground straight for the Houston metropolitan area. Tornado emergency for the greater Houston metropolitan area. This is a mass casualty situation. The National Weather Service in Houston gave us an issue of 20 to 24, Harris County in southeastern Texas until 4 p.m. At 3 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Hockley, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the greater Houston metropolitan area. This is a particular mass casualty situation. Check cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: training water spotters. Law enforcement. Emergency management. Water spotters and radar confirmed large and extreme dangerous tornado, causing massive catastrophic damage all over in the greater Houston. Impact: you're in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Concealed with damaged homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Location: Patchen Code, Houston, Cypress, Westfield, Jersey Village, Hedwig Village, Delaware, South Houston, Pasadena, Jackson City, Deer Park, Channelview, Webster, Sheldon, Crosby, Highlands, Atoska, Hoffman, Dalesdale, East Adeline, Humboldt, George Bush Intercontinental Airport, Westview, Woodgate, Clinton, Lotia, Willow, Angela, Smith, Tomball, and Cypress, Rose Hill, and Park Road, and Katy. To repeat, a large, extreme dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado, including a large vortex tornado heading towards the greater Houston metropolitan area. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to unseen room on the lowest floor of the sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To repeat, tornado emergency for the greater Houston metropolitan area. A large and extreme dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take the tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. To repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties. In Texas, Harris. Oh my god! Now the large vortex tornado is heading towards the greater Houston metropolitan area. I feel like the entire Houston metro will be obliterated. Alright, 3 hours later, a tornado passed the city. It impacted the greater Houston, causing catastrophic damage over the city of Houston. The following message is transmitted at request of the Texas Emergency Management Agency. Catastrophic damage, severe thunderstorms, and tornadoes reported in the parts of greater Houston metropolitan area. Some tornadoes may be EF0, EF1, EF2 tornadoes on the ground. In addition, the EF3 tornado has been reported in the city of Richmond and Sugar Land. A EF4 tornado reported in Texas City, League City, Galveston Island, and Galveston, causing catastrophic major damage. Another EF4 tornado has been reported in Conroe and the Woodlands. And the worst thing about the tornado is the EF5 tornado has been reported in the greater Houston metroplex, causing catastrophic damage, including Pasadena, Jersey Village, Cypress, and Tomball. All residents of the city of Houston, including the greater Houston metropolitan area, are advised to stay indoors in homes for the rest of tonight. If your home is destroyed in many ways, call 911. Tune the local station by news information that becomes available. So now we have a civil emergency message for the greater Houston metropolitan area. That's not good. An administrative message from the Houston Police Department. All of these friends, Tom, Angela, Hank, Mecca, Ben, and Ginger, are causing catastrophic damage over the greater Houston, causing major chaos and destruction, terrorizing the greater Houston metropolitan area, is now turned into food like hunger. In addition, these friends are now turned into food, and residents may exit your shelter at this time. However, there's still massive damage, including an EF5 tornado that hit the greater Houston metropolitan area over the last 3 hours. The National Guard is unavailable to rescue people from damaged shelters. If your shelter is damaged or destroyed, call 911 and the National Guard, if possible, to take you to a military base. To repeat, Tom, Angela, Hank, Becca, Ben, and Ginger now turned into food like hunger and residents may access your shelter at this time. The Houston Police Department thank you for cooperation during this emergency. Regular program may now resume. Right. Sorry about there's there's actually no apology. But thank you for watching as we say actually a part actually two parts of the thank you for percent of these ES scenario. Now thank you for presenting all my ES scenario of attack of showers, attack of toilets, medical showers, sleeping, and severe weather in Greater Houston metropolitan area. Hope you enjoy my ES scenario. Sorry for about not doing upload you, but thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.